When was the last time you felt truly peaceful and happy? Do you even remember? My name is Daniel. I'm an author and a meditation coach, and I'm here to help you remember. Remember that you have the power to achieve your dreams. I was born in Colombia, and for more than 10 years I've been traveling and inspiring hundreds of people around the world with my programs and retreats. Now I'm here to ask you a question. Do you want to learn how to feel more calm and focused? Do you want to overcome your mental barriers so you can be your best version? I know this year hasn't been easy, but it's time to rise and create your best year ever. Let's do it.